We are taking a look at my new Jade roller for your face. So this is both a Jade roller as well as a gua sha. So we've got a full set here, but the roller itself actually has two ends. So the smaller end, more for around your eye area, or we have kind of a smaller targeted area. And then the scraper here, which is great for larger surfaces, and the other larger end for going on the larger surface areas of your face. So this smaller one is great for around your eyes. I always go in an outward motion, and it just really calms your skin and gives a woken up appearance because it actually promotes blood circulation in your face. It has been said to help with the elimination of dark circles and for relaxing muscles, as well as reducing wrinkles. That is all something you can look into or to use with additional products. I actually put a moisturizer on my face and use it, a eye cream and a facial moisturizer, and use this as a tool to really get that into my skin. So it works great that way, as well as with a facial mask, or if you're using any serums. And then with the gua sha tool, that is great for using around your jawline or anywhere that you want to get lymphatic drainage. That is where this tool comes in really handy. But also you could use this for promoting blood circulation as well. You can use it all the way down to your neck with either of these tools. So you can see here, you do get a easier, smoother movement when you do have some kind of product on the face. It does just glide a little smoother. But I am super happy with this too. Jade itself is a great healing product, basically, or great healing just overall. It actually helps produce new skin cells. So I love that the tool itself is made of a great item that you'd want to have against your skin. Definitely check it out.